conversation with him over the phone. He was very polite over the phone. We asked him to meet us in Bombay. He flew across. Only very later did I get to know that he was flying in for a courtesy meeting to say no if I was offering him a part in the film. We got down to chatting, an informal chat, and had a long conversation about films, about his past, about his part in film. And very subtly I offered the film to him. And once he heard what I was thinking and my vision for the film, I think very slowly he came on the page, and before he flew back to Hyderabad, he had already said yes to the film. That was just the start of a very long journey that we went through the film, and hats off to him. There's a small AV that he prepared for you. I just think you should see it. Thank you. Having him part of the Bodhis martial arts. Without saying much, let me introduce Sudhir Babu.
So first time I'm meeting the national media, so I would like to tell you, my name is Sudhir Babu, but I'm not related to Chandra Babu, who's the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, because every time I come to North, when I meet new people, at least 1 in 10 will definitely ask me whether I'm related to Chandra Babu. But having said that, I'm sure some of you must have heard of me, just in case. They'll be ready with the question, so I'm giving the answer for that. I am Sudhir Babu and I'm related to Mahesh Babu, who's my brother-in-law. Even before coming to the audition for this film, even Sabi sir and the entire team didn't know that I'm related to Mahesh Babu and I'm part of the superstar family from the south. So that also gave me a slight good feeling, because without knowing my family background, they've been in this film. So I'm actually very proud to be doing this film.
For a few Q&As, if you have any.
Mukhtar from India News. My question to you: How was difficult? कितना difficult रहा आपके लिए वहाँ से बॉलीवुड का सफर तय करने के लिए, और क्या differences है वहाँ से यहाँ काम करने में आपको?
I never tried to get into Bollywood initially because there was a lot of work for me to do in Telugu. There's a lot of scope for growth in Telugu industry. It's just that an opportunity came my way. So if you ask me the journey to Bollywood, I was just, and the differences are about Bollywood and Tollywood, and I was hard there for me to films. So to explain in simple sports language, only play state, then play nationals. So Bollywood or Tollywood, game and the game rules remain the same. There's absolutely no difference.
And my second question is for Sabir. As a director, what do you say about that? How is he?
It was about the first video I saw him on YouTube, the very candid video of his skills. Once I met him for the first time, I found him extremely polite. There is a very charming quality in him, and I needed that, and I needed him to build a system. And I think he's one of his finest performances. I'm very extremely happy with him.
Thank you and wish you all the best for both.
Thank you.
शबीर, हर विलेन का एक बैकग्राउंड होता है, पिक्चर्स में अक्सर दिखाया जाता है, तो इनका भी कुछ बैकग्राउंड दिखाया जाएगा डायरेक्टली आपने प्रेजेंट किया है?
बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बैकग्राउंड है। एक बात जो शायद धीरे आ रही है कि रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द मैन, अगर रोनी राम है और सीता है सीता, देन राघव इज रावण, एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बैकग्राउंड. He's from Kerala in the film. There's a base of Kalaripayattu too, and his character is actually settled in Thailand, Bangkok. और जैसे फिल्म रिलीज होगी तो आपको इनके कैरेक्टर के बारे में और बहुत कुछ पता चलेगा.
आपने रेफरेंसेस भी लिए हैं क्या रामायण से?
जी बिल्कुल.
सुधीर, आप बताएं कुछ किरदार के बारे में और कितना डिफिकल्ट रहा पूरे सीन को शूट करना और सारी चीज़ें?
More than that, like when I'm doing Telugu films and all, I feel there wasn't any tough competition from the opposite end. Right now I have Tiger right opposite to me, so it was really tough. I really need to work very hard to match with them. Yeah, it was tough. It's not easy. At the same time, I was fit throughout my life. So I was right there, nearer to what Sir wanted. So just a couple of months of training, we were there, and we could do it.
शबीर, आपने लंका का नाम कहीं नहीं लिया है, आपने अयोध्या बताया, और अयोध्या में ऐसी घटना नहीं हुई वहाँ रावण।
I metaphoric है। I think it's a reflection of that story. That's a classic. तो फिल्म में लंका भी देखने को मिलेगी और जलती भी देखने को मिलेगी, हनुमान भी नहीं, मजा आएगा।
Sudhir, was it difficult for you? I mean, आपने जो डेब्यू किया बॉलीवुड में वो एक नेगेटिव रोल के साथ किया है, सो वाज इट रिस्की? डिड यू फील कि मैं नेगेटिव करूँगा तो मुझे आगे रोल्स भी से मिलेंगे? क्या आपको ये कह रहा है?
No, I wanted to be recognized as a very good actor. That's my first priority, and I've seen there's a lot of scope for performance in this. I mean, the character I played, Raghav. If you see like that, even my first film in Telugu, I was a villain, a small size villain, but not such a big villain. From there on, I went on to become play the lead roles. So I mean, in case you're recognized as a very good actor, surely down the line you'll get to do lead roles also.
Speaking of action films, Tiger Shroff, he's an amazing action critic. So one other action critic that you would want to be guest in one way.
I definitely want. I was a big fan of him. I loved his films, and to work with him, that will be like, the biggest opportunity I would have got.
पर्पस तो यही था कि फिल्म में ऐसा लगे कि ओवर शैडो करते हैं, उनसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर हों, बट बिगनिंग से ये थॉट नहीं था कि नेगेटिव प्ले करना है। आई थिंक ही इज़ ऑल्सो हीरो इन द फिल्म। कहीं पे आपके लाइफ के मकसद चेंज हो जाते हैं, तो मुझे नहीं लगता, आई थिंक वो भी बहुत अच्छा पार्ट था। आई थिंक दिस ऑल्सो वेरी गुड पार्ट।
In life, it's not necessary you have one goal. Your goals keep changing. At that point of time, I wanted to play badminton. But during that period, you can't make a living through playing sport. Only the top cream people can make a life out of it. And there's always a limit. So my parents wanted me to continue studying. So I just go back and studies. So after completing my studies, then the next interest was acting for me. So that's how I came into this field. My sister-in-law, that's Mahesh's sister, was making a film in Telugu, and it's just that I was into films, but I never realized I want to make it as a career. I come from a place called Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh, where the entertainment is only films. So I've grown up seeing films. My father was films, so that's how I had this interest towards films, and that's how I come into film.
It's been a sweet coincidence that there's been a thread of action in all my 3 films. It's not been deliberate. I look at Heropanti more as a human drama than as an action film. Who's my favorite? I think currently Tiger and Sudhir are my favorites.
Thank you, sir.
नहीं यार, बहुत मुश्किल थी उस टाइम पे, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि हाउ डू वी कास्ट दिस पार्ट। जैसे मैंने बोला, I didn't want to cast anybody and make them look like they were South Indian. It would look very fake. We auditioned about 50-60 people for the part, and I think we got lucky. So it was very tough. कोई दिमाग में नाम ही नहीं था, ये था कि शायद वहाँ से कोई हीरो को लेंगे, बट उस लेवल की फिटनेस एंड फॉर समबडी टू बी ऑन पार विद द टाइगर श्रॉफ वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव फाउंड हिम, यू नो.
Let me tell you this character Raghav. Tiger gets inspired seeing me in the film, but in real life I got inspired seeing him because there's always like fighting is not about hit each other. It's also like it's also like dancing. You need to get the timing correct. So the time hits you when all the time should be perfect. So he was made sure doesn't hit the opposite person. But for me, I hit him once. But he was very calm. He was very calm, and he didn't even complain about it. I was the one who stopped the shot, and I said, "Oh, sorry, he didn't stop the shot." Tiger is one bundle of energy. Even before getting, even if they shoot, before the shoot, he used to work out. If he can't work out before the shoot, after the shoot, he used to work out. And even during the shoot, he's doing some movement, some dance move, or some kick he'll be practicing. And I used to feel like the only time he's resting is while he's sleeping. So I think seeing him, I used to get inspired and get motivated to work much more harder. मैं उतना खराब नहीं है, थोड़ा थोड़ा बात कर सकता हूँ. इसीलिए नहीं बात कर क्योंकि मीडिया है, पूरा लोग जान जाएगा कि मैं हिंदी इतना अच्छी नहीं आता. So what about the dialogue in the film? मगर क्या करूं, तुझसे बहुत प्यार करता हूं. I'm so sorry. I did a great job in the film. It's little new people.
In the film, he's a man of few words. I think his performance speaks much more than the accent.
I never practiced till now any Hindi dialogue, to be very frank. I normally used to say, रिश्ते में तुम्हारा बाप होता है, नाम है शहंशाह.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Please be careful. Please be very careful.
किधर का